The STEM building blocks set BEHOWL-495, crafted from ABS safety material, includes an impressive total of 495 parts that can be assembled into 5 different models such as a tracked, robot, bulldozer, and tank, thereby promoting hands-on skills, problem-solving, logical thinking, confidence, and teamwork among children aged 8 to 16. A remarkable feature of this building set is its flexible remote control design, allowing for movement in all directions, including left, right, front, back, and executing 360-degree rotation stunts, whether on smooth indoor or outdoor surfaces, with a remote control distance exceeding 20 meters. The BEHOWL-495 set is designed for easy disassembly and reuse of parts after completion, and its clear instructions make it simpler for children to progress from entry-level to advanced-level challenges, thus enhancing their operational skills. This product is not only a fun and educational toy, but also a great creative gift for children aged 8 to 16, making it an excellent choice for occasions like Christmas, birthdays, Children's Day, Hanukkah, Easter, summer camp, and school activities. The BEHOWL manufacturer provides considerate customer service, with all accessories neatly packed in separate bags and a detailed manual included. Moreover, they offer prompt and satisfactory solutions to any customer queries or issues within 24 hours. Given its high review score of 4.4 out of 5 and monthly sales of 200 units, the STEM building block set BEHOWL-495 proves to be a popular and highly rated product in the building sets category of toys and games.